Hey everyone, do you want to add a beautiful snowfall animation to your React website? In this video, I will show you how to create a snowfall effect in React.js using a simple library, no complex code required. As you can see, we have this smooth snowfall animation falling over background image and it look really clean and lightweight. Now, let's how we can build this step by step. So first, this is a simple React project that I have already created and also installed Tailwind CSS. To create this snowfall effect, we are using React Snowfall library. This library handles all the animation logic internally, so we don't need to write any canvas or animation code. Here, I'm installing React Snowfall library in my React app and installation complete. Here we are importing the snowfall component from the React Snowfall library. We just import the component and use it like a normal React component. Now, as you can see, this is a smooth snowfall animation falling over a background. Here, the color property defines the color of the snowfalls. I'm using the sign color, but you can change it to any white or any color you want. Let me show you output. Now, snowfalls have a color sign. If I'm changing with red color, this is look like a fire effect. The radius property controls the size of the snowflakes. The first value is the minimum size and second value is the maximum size. As you can see, big and small snowfalls. The speed property controls how the fast the snowflakes fall. Minimum value make it slow and smooth, and maximum value make it fall and faster. As you can see, if I'm changing maximum value, now you can see speed of snowfall fall. If I'm changing maximum value in radius property, as you can see, big and small falling bubble effect. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have added a smooth snowfall effect to a React application. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And comment below what effect you want to learn next. And thanks for watching.